This is our object, and now we want to add HDRI. Go to Shading. Under here, switch to World. You want to do Shift-A, Texture, Environment Texture. This is where you're going to select your HDRI. Open. Select the one you want. This is going to be in the description. Connect color to color. You can switch here under Render Properties. Viewport Shading. Now, you want to Shift-A, and you can also do Search, Mapping. You're going to connect vector to vector, and you're going to do Shift-A. We're going to do Texture Coordinate and connect Generated to Vector. This is what we have right now. So, you can see the lighting of this cube. If we select here, we're going to rotate this by its z-axis. So, you can see we can easily rotate it, and that way you have different shading on your cube. You can easily see sun is somewhere here, and so you can easily switch the way you want this to be rendered. For another easy quick tip, let's delete this. If you have enabled Node Wrangler, you can just click CTRL+T and you're going to have everything apply correctly. Just open the HDRI you want. So, or like this, if you added environment texture, again CTRL+T and you have selected this and connected it correctly. This is how you enable Node Wrangler. Go to Edit, Preferences, under Add-ons, Node Wrangler, and enable that.